absolutely beautiful out here. And it stinks. The gondola ride was pretty sweet, but what's even sweeter are these black eggs. It is said that if you eat one of these eggs that is cooked in the sulfur, it'll add 1 year to your life. They don't say that?
10 years.
10 years. Cat has said 10 years, so I'm going to go ahead and eat one of these sulfur eggs. Time to try one of these eggs. Absolutely gorgeous day, and a super clear view of Fuji. Super lucky. The famous black egg. Now, comes with a little pack of salt. Let's crack it open. It's gotta be peeled. Luckily, it peels pretty easy. All right, time to try the famous Owakudani eggs. Look at that.
It's just a regular egg.
It does have a slightly different taste than a regular egg.
No, it's the smell.
I like it. And the last time we were at Kura Sushi, Kat picked up these packets of peppers. So I'm going to put that all over the egg as well. There you go. Look at that egg. Well seasoned egg. Do yourself a favor. Before you pick up these eggs, stop by a Kura Sushi and get one of those packets to go. Damn good egg.